Pakistan has a new all-weather ally. Turkey sent hundreds of drones, military equipment and even military personnel to help Pakistan fight India. Latest reports have confirmed the death of at least 2 Turkish drone operators in Indian airstrikes on Pakistan.
You can see some quadcopters and you can see one odd Sonka drone hanging by the wire. All these have been brought down by our trained crew and air defense systems.
The Yiha drones are of Turkish origin.
The Turkey-Pakistan tango has sparked massive anger in India. The chorus to boycott Turkish products is hitting fever pitch. Indian tourists are shunning Turkey and another Pakistan ally, Azerbaijan. What has angered Indians is the fact that Turkey is acting against a country that helped them in their hour of need. India had stood by Turkey during the 2023 earthquake, launching Operation Dost and supplying relief material to tide over the humanitarian crisis. Thousands had died in the quake that crippled Turkey and Syria. India also had trade ties with Turkey. In 2024-25, India exports to Turkey stood at $5.2 billion, which was down from $6.65 billion in 2023-24. This accounts for less than 1.5% of India's total exports. Imports from Turkey were worth $2.84 billion in 2024-25 compared to $3.78 billion in 2023-24, just 0.5% of India's total imports. Turkey received around 62.2 million foreign tourists in 2024, with approximately 300,000 coming from India.
Boycott Turkey is trending online right now. The results are many other travel agents have followed our suit, and the results are 22% bookings are cancelled by passengers themselves for Turkey.
India has now blocked Turkish state broadcaster TRT World on X for spreading news and pro-Pakistan propaganda. Similarly, China's Xinhua and Global Times have also been blocked by India for spreading misinformation.
Turkey has been once again an ally of Pakistan, not only training but implicating and trying to damage Indian air bases and Indian civilians. 2 personnel have been killed. More than 350 Turkish drones were directed towards India.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.